Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore some of the most fascinating and intriguing topics in the universe. Today, we're pondering upon an interesting idea. What would happen if all the planets in our solar system become the same size as the Earth? First things first, let's talk about why this is an interesting thought experiment in the first place. Earth is a terrestrial planet, meaning that its structure is noticeably different from the gas planets that make up most of our solar system. So, if somehow, all the planets could be the same size as Earth, it would mean that our solar system would look drastically different from what we know it to be. One of the most striking changes would be in the orbit patterns of the planets. The size of a planet is directly proportional to the amount of gravity it generates, and in turn, the force that the planet exerts on its surroundings. Therefore, as all the planets become the same size as Earth, their orbital paths would have to adjust to accommodate the new gravitational pull. It's also worth noting that the atmosphere of these planets would have to undergo significant changes. Jupiter, for instance, is a gas giant because gravity holds its gases together. But if Jupiter were compressed to the size of Earth, it may lose its gaseous qualities and become a terrestrial planet. Similarly, Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, may develop a dense atmosphere and become a lot more habitable. Perhaps most importantly, the lives of humans would change dramatically. If the planets in our solar system were all the same size as Earth, interplanetary travel and colonization may become a lot more feasible. We may even see the development of new, advanced technologies that can make space travel more accessible than ever before. But, on the flip side, such significant changes to our solar system could lead to some catastrophic consequences as well. The destabilization of planetary orbits could lead to violent collisions, wiping out any semblance of life in our solar system. Alternatively, as the orbits of the planets change, it's possible that they could be flung off into deep space, never to be seen or heard from again. In conclusion, the idea of all planets becoming the same size as Earth is an intriguing one, and it has the potential to change the way we interact with our universe altogether. While there are many potential benefits to such a change, there are just as many risks that need to be considered before we seriously entertain this idea. Nonetheless, it's fascinating to think about the sheer scale of what could happen if all the planets of our solar system were suddenly transformed. Thanks for joining us today on this thought-provoking journey, and we hope to see you soon for more exciting discussions.